Good day. Today's video is about top 11 helpful and effective affiliate marketing tips. Make your business model work for you. I know you're excited to know. Let's start. Number 1. Research your niche. Before you start your affiliate marketing venture, you need to find a profitable niche. If you think you've found a niche that is going to work for you, put it to the test and make sure it's going to work. Through to see if there are plenty of products and services for you to review. See if the affiliate commissions you'll get are high enough to make your effort worth the time you're putting in. Number 2. Choose keywords for SEO. When you get traffic from the search engines, you're getting traffic from people that are looking for exactly what you have to offer. There are different types of keywords to target. Some keywords are top of the funnel keywords, which means these people are pretty far away from making a buying decision. Some keywords are buyer keywords, which means these people are excited and almost ready to make a purchase. Having a mix of keywords will allow you to grow your audience and generate more affiliate sales. Number 3. Know your target audience. Once you're ready to start marketing, you need to know how to speak to your target audience and what to offer them. The only way you can know these things is knowing who they are and what they want. You should know who your target audience is before you start making, but you can learn even more about them through analytics, surveys, and other ways of researching your audience. Number 4. Own your audience. If you have to depend on Google, Facebook, Twitter, or any other platform to keep visitors coming to your website, no good. If they change their business model or terms, your traffic could totally dry up. Own your audience by growing your social media following, growing your email list and building your brand. Number 5. Always have a backup offer. If you're only promoting one thing, your affiliate earnings could be in danger. The company might decide to discontinue a product or service, or they might slash their affiliate division. Having a backup offer will allow you to quickly pivot your strategy if anything goes wrong with your first affiliate offer. Are you enjoying these information? Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing and sharing it to everyone you know. Haven't found the right WFH opportunity? Here's for you for free. Visit this link below. For our number 6. Carefully vet products and services before promoting. If you want to keep the trust of your audience, you need to carefully vet the products and services. If you recommend products and services that don't work well or that are scammy or spammy, people will think twice before buying what you recommend. Number 7. Track your affiliate links. Tracking your affiliate links might mean you have to do a little more work. For every unique place you put an affiliate link, you should use a unique URL from the affiliate program. When you do this, you'll be able to know exactly where the sales are coming from. The few extra minutes it takes to create unique tracking URLs will allow you to know where to focus your efforts. This is one of the most important affiliate marketing tips to keep in mind. Number 8. Use retargeting. If you're not retargeting to the people you already made an offer to, you're missing out on sales. Your audience might not have been ready to buy the first time they saw the offer. The situation might be different if you give them the same offer a week or two down the road. Setting up retargeting gives you better conversion rates, increased ROI, and increased sales. Number 9. Segment your audience. If your audience is in one messy email list, you're missing out on sales. Your audience is likely interested in multiple things and at different stages in their journey. If you're sending beginner information to people that need advanced information, and vice versa, they are likely to unsubscribe from your email list. Segmenting your audience into different email lists will allow you to speak directly to people, in a language they understand with offers that interest them. Number 10. Place an affiliate offer on your thank you page. What is on your thank you page when people sign up for your email list? It's likely that the page just says, "Thank you." Instead of only having a thank you there, put a relevant affiliate offer there and give them an opportunity to buy from you. And number 11. Don't hide your face and personality. You want to connect with your readers. The fastest way to connect with your readers is by showing off who you are and what you're all about. Having a photo of yourself and a little bit about who you are on your blog sidebar is a great way to get people to connect with you, which can lead to higher conversion rates. Personalization of your brand is one of the most important affiliate marketing tips to increase affiliate sales. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Haven't found the right WFH opportunity? Here's for you for free. Visit this link below. See you on our next video.